What is Databricks? In simple terms. Good day, folks, and welcome to the channel. If you've been asking yourself the question, what is Databricks? Then this is the only video that you need to watch so that you can completely understand what Databricks is and how it can benefit you, your business, what it can do for you. Right, so without further ado, ladies and gentlemen, let us jump straight in. The first thing here we want to discuss is, what is Databricks? So Databricks provides powerful tools for handling large amounts of data. As you can see here, they have tons of products, tons of solutions and resources that you can use to allow your large amount of data to actually work for your favor. So exploring some of the tools, some of the key features, some of the benefits, also some of the drawbacks, and also why it is so important for you. So let us go ahead and have a look at some products that they actually offer here. The first product we're going to have a look at is the Unified Analytics Platform. So Databricks offers a one-stop shop for analyzing data to make it simple to manage as well as understand. So you can see over here they have a ton of different products, and the unified platform for data analytics as well as AI is a fantastic product that can help you understand your data in a much quicker and easier way. The second thing that we're going to have a look at here is the Delta Lake. It is a reliable data storage system that ensures data integrity, and it makes it easier for you to organize as well as analyze your information. So if you're looking really to be able to understand what it is your data is saying, that is the product that you would like to use. Another thing that you want to have a look at here is the ML Flow. It is a tool to help you manage your machine learning lifestyle, and it makes it easier for you to create as well as deploy models, which is an absolutely fantastic product. The Databricks SQL Analytics, that is also another product that you can use with Databricks. It is an easy way to analyze data using SQL queries. It also makes it accessible for those familiar with databases. So if you are jumping into Databricks and you have a bit of a back knowledge of some of the databases, then that is a fantastic product. You're going to be able to use it to your advantage. The fifth top product that we're going to sort of discuss a little bit here is the collaborative environment. This is when Databricks foster teamwork by allowing multiple users to collaborate on a data project simultaneously. So it is great if you have lots of members in your team or lots of collaboratives. It's a fantastic way as an open, secure, zero copy share for all types of data. So having a look now at Databricks, you may be asking yourself, but what are the uses of Databricks? So data analysis, that is the first thing that we are going to discuss. And data analysis basically allows you to analyze what your data is actually saying. So Databricks simplifies this process of examining and interpreting all of the data that is in your company. It also aids in making informed decisions. So, taking that human element and adding it to the knowledge of the AI machine that is collecting your data and understanding your data, that is a very, very powerful tool. Machine learning basically facilitates the development and the deployment of machine learning models. It also empowers your business with predictive insights. If you're looking to understand what your market may look like in 6 months from now, or in 1 year from now, or in 5 years from now, or even in 10 years from now, Databricks has a solution for that, and you'll be able to understand what it is that your market will require within 1 to 10 years from now. One of the other things that Databricks is great with is collaborative projects. This allows Databricks to foster the teamwork and allow multiple individuals to work together on those related projects, all concurrently, which means all at the same time. So you got a bunch of different people in different places working on one data project at the same time. Absolutely amazing. So that is up to date, up to the minute, and you can really take advantage of that collaborative project that you're busy with. Some of the advantages of Databricks really is the unified platform. So Databricks really provides a cohesive environment, eliminating the need for multiple tools and basically streamlining data workflows. Looking at Delta Lake, which is a reliable data storage, it ensures data integrity, and it also organizes storage. It prevents inconsistencies, and it also enhances your data reliability. If you're looking for efficient machine learning, which is the ML flow, of course, it simplifies the management of the machine learning cycle from experimentation to actually deployment stages of your machine learning. It also simplifies data analysis, so Databricks SQL analytics. It enables easy analysis using familiar SQL queries. It makes it accessible to anybody with database expertise. So whether you're a beginner in the database knowledge base, then you can still use Databricks, and if you have a little bit more of an extensive knowledge, you will also still be able to use Databricks, and your knowledge will still be of great use. Having a look now at Databricks and what the drawbacks may be. The costs of Databricks may involve additional costs, and organizations really need to think about these costs before they just jump in. But it is always a good idea to weigh them against the benefits and see what you're actually getting for the money that you're paying for the service. So you've got to balance that bang for your buck. One of the other things is that it is so super intense, and it's such a comprehensive platform that there really is a very hard and steep learning curve when you are learning how to use Databricks. So it may take you a little bit longer if you are looking to use Databricks properly. So basically, in a nutshell, if you're looking to collect mass amounts of data to be advantageous within your market, within your company, your business, your organization, then Databricks can help you do that. In a nutshell, it will help you collect that data. It will help you analyze that data so that you can understand that data. And then it'll also put it into terms that you can understand depending on what your knowledge base is of databases. And then, of course, you can use that data to make predictions as to what your market may look like in the next coming few years, and get ahead of the competition so that your business will actually stand out on top. With such a comprehensive piece of software, if there's anything that I missed, if you have any questions, don't forget that you can leave it in the comment section below. If you do like this video, please don't forget to drop us a like, smash up that subscribe button, and we will see you in another awesome video. Cheerio for now.